Hey guys, welcome to Cryptolina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is going on the Bitcoin price chart. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. On the screen you see a 1 hour time frame. The price of Bitcoin has been in consolidation for 16 days. In this block in which the price of our asset is being traded, actually, the price unchanged since December 17th, but the most important thing is that Bitcoin doesn't make a high low. We didn't break out, we didn't make a break. This gives hope that Bitcoin will break above this block and reach the level of $17,800. Let's see what happened on this chart. It reflects what has been happening over the past few weeks. Since November 24th, a huge number of long positions have been closed on the bitfinex cryptocurrency exchange, which use a fairly large number of whales. On November 24, about 59% of all shorts that were open closed, and this signals to us that we are at a potential turning point, a point from which we can begin to grow. I have already shown this Fibonacci grid on the 1 hour time frame in previous videos. Yes, we haven't reached the key level, we haven't reached $18,895. It's marked here. We took this movement, we made a good money on it, but we couldn't reach the level of $18,895. After that, they began to fall down. Right now, we are consolidating in this block. It was indicated on the previous chart. Let's also look at another chart. This is Fibonacci for a fall. As you can imagine, we still haven't done the level 0.5 test, and we didn't even test 0.382, which is $19,000. Yes, we touched it here on December 20th, but we still have the prospect of such a move that we will reach 17,300 or $17,570, and then we go lower into a correction. As you remember, I'm open long on BYBIT, and as I said before, I recommend it to you because right now globally we are at the bottom, and this is confirmed by a huge number of metrics. If you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. And I will remind you once again that right now you can claim your $30,000 bonuses on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit, and after that you get your bonuses. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative, it's BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now they have a New Year competition. You can spin the wheel and win a Tesla, you can also win one Bitcoin, an iPhone, and much more. Follow the link in the description or in the first pinned comment, register using my links and get your bonuses. So let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. Here is the Fibonacci grid stretched for the last fall. Let's show how this Fibonacci stretches. We take a custom Fibonacci, it's here, and stretch from the wick to the zero level to the last low. We stretched, we see that there were no corrections. There were no corrections here either. There were also no corrections to the 0.5 level. And we stretched our Fibonacci to our last low. It turns out that there were no corrections. This Fibonacci also gives us targets for a fall on a 4 hour time frame. It says that we can fall further to $14,000 to $12,000, and our maximum target is $10,712,000 if we don't fall from this range without stopping and correcting. If we fall even lower, then the Fibonacci will stretch lower and the target will be lower and lower. What factors indicate that this scenario may be cancelled? So let's take a look at the Binance exchange liquidation map. Here we have drawn all the applications that we have, applications for liquidation in one direction or another, where the asset will go, and the minimum liquidation we have is $11,000, $13,000, next liquidation down $14,000, range $16,000 to $14,000. We are now at around $16,700 $35 and next liquidation $17 to $19,000, and the huge liquidation formation is at the $25,000 mark. So similarly, there are $11,000 liquidations at the bottom. If we show great volume and exit higher, then we will collect those liquidations and move $25,000 higher to the liquidities that are there. If the recession continues, if we see the negative that will continue anyway, we will be shown that the market is not ready for a turn. There will be a tightening of the Fed's policy, then it's likely that we will see a decline. But globally, once again, and in the near future, I expect such movement, and after that a correction down to $10,000 is possible. The only embarrassing thing is that there are factors that say that we will go for $10,000 and the picture may be different. At least we will make a correction to the 0.5 level. This is $17,300, $17,500, and our current plan hasn't changed. We are in this range, we are accumulating here, including my loan, and the nearest thing we want to do is take this movement and profit. Everything below is already more global movements which will be considered after this loan, which we want to take now. So let's take a look at the following chart, which shows the different phases of the Bitcoin bear markets. These formations very much remind us of the previous formations when we dive up to 90% of the movement and prepare for a turn, and very similar formation. Everything is cyclical. Bitcoin also has a history and cycles, and right now it feels like we are ending the bear market cycle that started right here. It feels like we are coming to the end right now. The last bearish cycle ended on January 1st, 2019. Another cycle ended on January 1st, 2015, and the previous one on January 1st, 2012. Over the next 2 years, we grow. From 2012 we grew until 2014 and got a new all-time high from the bottom of 2015 to 2017. From 2019 to 2022 we also got a new all-time high. Now it's the new year 2023 and the pattern may work again. Right now in the next 2 years it's quite possible to get a movement of about $100. So let's look at the last chart. This is an 8-hour time frame. It has already been in previous videos. Here in principle nothing changed. There is also a falling wedge formation, which is a bullish pattern. We showed tops here, deviated from these tops, but we are ready to rise or test at least once again the wedge from above, perhaps breakthrough and then plunge lower, and the main idea is to pick up the upward movement. After that, look at the price reaction. So traders, it's all for now. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. So it's all for now. Bye.